you're looking to reduce and break down your food waste, this electric composter is a great option. Thank you to this company for sending us this to try out. We actually ran it through a cycle. We spent some time filling up the container. We just left it under the sink, put various vegetables, coffee grinds, eggshells. I think there was even some banana peels in there. I was curious about the banana peels because they have kind of a tougher stem. I wanted to see how it broke down. And as you can see, it breaks down quite well. So what was once a full bin is now just reduced down to some dry, fluffy material. A feature that they've included on this is that it has a charcoal filter, which kind of helps eliminate odors as the material is being processed. Really easy to use. You just fill up the bin, close the lid, hit the start button, and away you go. So it does automatically go for 6 hours, but there is a way to manually set the time if you feel like it's not going to take the full 6 hours to completely break down what you've put in there. So after running this, it looks like with a full bin, it's now reduced to probably about 10% of what it was. So it reduced the food waste about 90%. And the nice thing is that it saves on garbage bags. What I plan on using this for is to reduce my food waste, have this break it down, and then eventually incorporate this into my garden. When we ran the cycle, it was here inside the kitchen, and it's pretty quiet when it runs. You didn't really notice it too much. You do kind of hear it kind of shut on and off as the grinders start to work, but it's for the most part pretty quiet. So as far as electric composters go, this one is pretty simple to use. It did a really great job for us first run. I'm excited to have it to use for future to reduce our food waste and also incorporate the remaining material into our garden throughout the coming months.